How to teach beginners and intermediate players for this skill? Same. It has to be step by step and must be done very easy way. The way the players can have confidence, satisfaction, and believe. I am doing it. I am improving it. The coach must be able to give that feeling to the player. How to do it? Step by step. The word has to be encouragement word. Yes. No, not like that. No. I got the wrong. Then instead of no, not like that. Okay, do this way. More like that. Try like that. Yes. It's a positive way. Okay, the first stage is here. This is the last hitting posture. Point shot go. Not like this, like that. Set. Left arm. Bend the knee. Here. I'm a player. You're a coach there. By hands is better. Here. So ask it just to hit. Ready? 1, 2, straight. 3. This time, hitting hard is the enemy. Hitting clean is the right way. If this player, the top players are hitting very hard. I want to, he imagine himself like hitting so hard. And then he have that intention. Not like that. It's gone. It's the other way around. Start simple. Clean. And then he can later do that harder anytime. Hitting hard is not important. So just now, standing, hitting. Second, move, hit the same time, only this one. 1. At this moment, check. If his grip is a ready grip, then it will be chopped. You will hear the sounds is wrong. It's wrong sounds. So he has to change a little bit. Be careful. He might change it too much. The shuttle goes over that side. So, that much. That's too much. Little bit. Set. So second stage, hitting, landing together. There. Practice that enough to feel he's happy now. After that, say 1, 2, okay? And then you draw like that. 1, okay, you say, start now. Say start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Because if you don't do this way, he's not used to the steps. He will mix up. So give him step by step satisfaction. Achievement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do that several times. 10, 20. He's doing well. And then all in one together. Okay, like that. So more this side. So this player must not watch there. Must watch coach. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it a lot. He's doing well. And then racket feeding, like a real match speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.